So in this video, we're going to talk about creating a Punch Pass membership. For those of you, say for instance, yoga schools who sell like 5 or 10 lesson Punch Passes, we're going to show you how you create those memberships. Now, we're in the office area again. We need to go to memberships along the main navigation. We click memberships. From here, we can create a new membership template. Now, we have numerous Punch Pass memberships already set up, ready to go, and you can always edit these by simply clicking them and clicking edit and changing it so it suits your price. But in this case, we're going to create a brand new one. So when we want to create a brand new template, we simply click the green plus sign. From here, we're going to give our membership a name. We'll call it Punch Pass Test. Description, photo, and who we show it to. These are all for online stores. So if you do Billing with Champions Way, again, you can choose to put this membership online. Now, that is actually a big feature with these Punch Pass memberships. They actually do very well online. So you may want to show this to the public and put it on your website. Now, from here, we can select a program or style. And we can say that this Punch Pass membership, well, we could say normally it would be for yoga. For training purposes, we could just say for Little Champions. Now, duration of days, you can set an expiry date for your Punch Pass. So you can say, for instance, the number of lessons here might be 10. In which case, every time the person attends, it will count down the classes from here. When they have no more classes left, they can no longer attend. But we can set a duration of days here, an expiry date. So they have an amount of time in which to use those 10 classes. So say, for instance, we're going to give them, we'll say 3 months in which to use their 10 classes. In which case, you could set a duration of days to 90. So within 90 days, if they don't use these 10 classes, the membership will expire. Now we can go to our payment information and we can choose how we're going to pay for it. Is it going to be paid in full? If the price for these 10 classes was, say for instance, $200, we could have it set as paid in full, in which case we would set a pay now of $200. This is the total price. This is what they're paying up front. They're paying the whole value of the membership up front. Now, if you wanted to break it down into a payment pattern, you could do so. You could take out the pay now and you could split it over to, let's say, for instance, 4 payments. From here, you could say paid in full, change it to monthly, in which case it would be 4 payments of $50, which would equal $200. Now, if you just wanted to leave it paid in full, remove the number of payments. Say you have to pay $200 up front for this. We'll leave it like that. Our membership template would be good to go. From here, we would simply click Save. And now we can see that our Punch Pass test is ready to sell. And again, we will have a separate video on selling memberships.